Well, today's a little bit overcast. Not like yesterday. Beautiful day yesterday there. Lovely sunset last night. I'll put a picture up of that. We're leaving the bay today. It was slightly rolly. Not bad, not bad. Problem was we've turned beam onto the swell that's coming in, and there is no protection from the west, looking due west there, and there is zero protection. In fact, that is open to the North Atlantic, straight out there. There's one little island I can see on the horizon, and after that there's nothing. So absolutely zero protection on this bay. So it is only suitable in very, very calm weather. But it's absolutely stunning. I mean, these beaches, we did go ashore, I didn't take any cameras. We had fun. We went into that little sandy bay there, and actually the breakers were, they were only a couple of feet, but in a dinghy, rowing, that was fun. Even more fun coming back out. Anyway, we have a geologist moored close by in that catamaran there, and he's going off exploring, he says, today. All of this is volcanic, so he's over the moon going off and exploring. So we're leaving for Tobermory. We're going to have a day or two, we'll see, in Tobermory. Hopefully we can get on a berth before we're going to head back to Ardfern. The back end of this week the weather's changing. We've had our summer again, so I think we're going to go back to Ardfern and take stock of what's going on, get some laundry done, and then see whether we head on back down the Sound of Luing, probably to Gear or somewhere like that, before we have to head back home to Hartlepool. It's a shame that we were cutting our journey short once again, but got to bear in mind the weather and the tides. It's about 3 legs to get back to Ardfern from where we are. Today's run would be about 12 miles back to Tobermory.
so high. Feet on the ground, but I still get by. The rules were made for someone else to try, but not me.
So just leaving Tobermory. This should be a gentle sail today, back down to Loch Aline. Now this way, got the ferry on its way down, and we've got a large cruise liner at anchor just outside the bay.
Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight. Every doubt just...
This is the ferry Isle of Lewis passing us. And here comes the wash.
Till now, the stars are down like good old friends, saying, boy, don't stop where the sky just ends. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold.
In Loch Aline we had a visitation from some dolphins. I missed the best bit, they actually came into the pontoons. So with our shortest stop in Loch Aline, we had a number of tidal gates to hit. First Jewett Head, then across towards the Sound of Luing, and down the Sound of Luing, and Dorus Mor. But as we progressed further south, the weather was changing. We actually ran into mist, getting a bit of a sea fret, I think.
Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight.
Just look at our poor pensioner there, freezing on a heat wave day, 40 degrees down south. You can see Janet's got her sunglasses on, but where's the sun?
Down south.
It ain't up here. Janet's doing 8.5 knots. Speedster. So this is Dorus Mor ahead. That yacht went flying past. He's just suddenly come to a halt. He's moving again.
8.9 knots.
And then he's almost come to a standstill.
And this is where it will be.
Yeah. We can just see the tidal streams on Dorus Mor. And again. You might have to go manual. I can see the so we're doing 8.8, 8.9 knots currently.
We're going to hit it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we should hit it now.
Still up. Janet's working the helm.
In 5, 4, 3,
There's something ahead, a white ball. Starboard side. Oh, it's foam. And we're back at Ardfern. Just got to find our mooring. Yeah, keep coming around to starboard. Right, start straightening up, and we're straight on the bow. That's it, about 4 boat lengths. Hey? Oh, right. Yeah, keep going forward. Yeah. Keep coming forward. Still on your nose. Straight. It's bang on the nose. Have you got bow thruster turned on? Right, yeah, just keep nice and slow and straight. It's dead ahead. 1 boat length, dead ahead. Going to neutral. Just to go astern slightly. Okay, I've got the buoy. Go astern. That. Right, neutral. Don't want to be here. Oh. Right, we're on and safe.